My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneaker here. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below, and it'll be right there, right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. Alright, so we're back. After going, it's 31 days in January, so after going 0-31 in January, we are only in, what's this, the 5th? Yeah, today's the 5th, right? Or was it the 6th? What is it?
No, it's the 8th.
No, it's not. It's the 6th. The 6th, yeah. You should know that because your brother, my son's birthday is tomorrow. Anyway, it's the 6th. So 6 days into the February, we already got, I think, 3 shoes and maybe, possibly 3 more on the way. So I'm back to my old habits. So it is what it is. But before I even get to this shoe, we did get something great. They did a shock drop today for the Bread 4 Reimagined, and your boy did hit on his pair. Got him. It's crazy because it started off with this. This is how it started. As you can see with this. Boom. I didn't get it. And I went for my size 8.5. Then I went for a size 9. I didn't get it. Then I said, you know what? Why not? I went for a 9.5. And I got it. I got the 9.5. And it's not the resale. I know y'all are like, oh, that could have went to somebody else that wanted 9.5. No, I'm actually going to take my 9.5 that I get and take it to my local resale shop. And I think if I pay $20 or $30, I can size swap. So I'm gonna take that and size swap to my normal 9 or 8.5, whatever they got available. So your boy did get they got him today. So let me know in the comments below if anybody hit on the shock drop for the Bread 4 Reimagined that dropped February the 17th. So let me know if you got that. I'm gonna double up on these two. So this is 1 of 2, possibly 3. Anyway, get to the shoe. Package. Got the notification while I was at work today that just dropped off. This is actually a shoe that I got off another shock drop that I got. No, I'm sorry, not shock drop. This is another sneakers drop that I got Saturday, if I'm not mistaken, while I was out of town. No, not Saturday. It came out on a Friday. It came out on Friday while I was out of town when I was in Baltimore. Which is crazy because when I went to the store, I saw them in the store in Baltimore, not out here. I have not seen these in stores out here. But I only went to one Foot Locker since I've been home, so they could be in other stores, but I haven't seen it. So anyway, let's get to it. Ooh, that's not the way right here. Boom. Yep. Yes, sir. Ooh, look at that. I like this box, man. Right off top, this is gonna give you a little preview of what the shoe is gonna have. But you see the Nike check with the Jumpman translucent, like they won. It's a kind of see-through. You see that? Like it's going the Jumpman and the Nike Air underneath of it. I like that. So this is like a white, off-white type box with that elephant print kind of right there, like that. And it reads Air Jordan 3 Retro Craft. The color is Ivy Gray Miss Cream. Suggested retail price I think was $210. I want to say $210. It could have been $190, but I think it was $210. Size 8.5, so you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. There we go. All right, boom. All right. I should have got a 9 though. 3s run kind of small. I should have got a 9, but it is what it is. I was front paper. I like these. I like these. I like these. All right. So without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 3. Oops, drop the box. We got the Air Jordan 3 Craft Ivies. Boom. All right, so we got the Air Jordan 3 Craft Ivory. This is a part of the Craft series that they have been doing. They dropped a couple crafts or whatever like that. I think I got like 2 pair myself. I'm gonna give you guys some information like I always do. This is off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. It will be right next to me, right there, right now. Should be up right now. All right, so you can read along with me. It reads, I don't know why I put my laptop out. I'm just gonna read from the phone. It says, more images of the Air Jordan 3 Craft Ivory has begun to surface ahead of its release on February 3rd. That's some little pictures. Suggested retail price is $210. What did I say? $210? I think I did say $210. So I was right about that. What information? Okay. It's not rare to see the Jumpman reinvent their most iconic silhouettes. But in the last few years, they experimented more frequently than ever, not only by way of the Reimagined series, but also their growing family of craft silhouettes. Joining the likes of the Air Jordan 1, Air Jordan 4, and Air Jordan 5, the Air Jordan 3 Craft is the newest addition to the catalog, releasing early next year in an ivory colorway. And though largely understated in the latter regard, the construction certainly makes up for where the palette lacks. Alongside extended the paneling and trims along the toe, heel counter, and eye stays, the pair reworks the silhouette's signature back tab here. The newly translucent fixture layers the Jumpman and Nike Air logo over top of one another. So that's what I was talking about. It's like a translucent, it's like they're on top of each other, which I like. I like that on the back of it, that translucent back right there. I do like it's on the tongue too with the Jumpman. You see it's like almost like a 3D to them. I like that. I like that touch. These reminds me of, well, first we got this like this ivory or this ivory white upper. This got to be leather. Yeah, leather. It do look like some plush leather. Look at that wrinkling up. That's some good leather right there. My leather's so soft. That's nice. Got that gray right here. Going up with that elephant print right there. Not elephant. I guess not. I'm just gonna say crackles. Crackles going right there. And on the back, got that. It's like a mint blue or mint green. I would say more grayish blue. Inside sock liner, and is on the bottom right there in the Jordan, and the pod right there. Eyelids, it's like the same thing. White laces. I don't think ain't no extra laces in there. I'll check, but I doubt there's any extra laces in here. Let's see. There is not. No extra laces in here. Nothing really needed. I mean, it's a plain shoe, but I think it's a clean shoe. In my opinion, it's a clean shoe. Let me take that down. Oh, you know what? Before I do this, let's go back and we're gonna look up the. Excuse me, sorry about that. We're gonna look up the other crafts. Air Jordan. I'm just gonna type in Air Jordan crafts. Air Jordan crafts. Some of them I didn't like. I didn't like a lot of the crafts. Okay, so so far they're not really putting. Oh, okay, I got those. Are they crafts? Those 4s are crafts. Let's see. Air Jordan craft. Okay, I got a couple pairs of these. If these are all crafts, yeah, that is crafts. Said right there, crafts. I have those. I don't got the ones. I don't got no one crafts. Well, I'm not even gonna pull up or anything like that. Y'all can always just look it up on your own, the crafts. But yeah, I mean, it's a good shoe. I like it. I'm glad it's in my collection. It's, you know, you can't go wrong with 3s or 4s or nothing like that. I'm mad that I pulled the trigger too fast. Meaning, like, I should have waited to see if I can get them in store. But like I said, I haven't seen them in stores out here in California. But in Baltimore, I did see them sitting. So ain't nobody really buying 3s like that. I mean, especially when they knew the Reimagined 4 was about to come out. So, but I'm happy I got it. So y'all let me know in the comments below if this was a copper drop. That Reimagined 4 video will be coming up. I'm not gonna say next because 2 Kobe's come out. 2 Kobe's and a pair of 13s come out before those 4s. So I should be doing reviews on all 3 of those shoes. The court purple Kobe's, hopefully I can hit on that. I got a better chance getting them than the emerald Kobe's. Because I got to do sneakers for that. So I might not get that. Hopefully I can try to get that. Then we got some UNC color 13s that come out this past Saturday. This is a big week. A lot of shoes. So off the top of my brain, that'd be 4 shoes that I would get if I get all of them. The shock drop with the Reimagined 4s, 2 pairs of Kobe's, and the 13th. And the Kobe's both Kobe's come on the same day, the 8th. So it's a big week. I'm back buying shoes. So
like usual.
Yeah, I gotta chill. Like I mean, I took January off, so I'm coming back with a vengeance. So anyway, y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think about the Air Jordan 3 Craft Ivory. What you think about this class, 1 to 10?
8.
8? Oh, okay, that's high. That's pretty high.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You like the shoe?
Yeah, I like it.
I thought you was gonna think it was too much white.
Nah, it's fine.
Oh, okay. Well, all right. I'm gonna go.
Really, just try to smell it.
I'm gonna go 7. I'm gonna go 7. 6.5. Don't think it's a bad shoe. It's whatever. It's a clean shoe. I'm gonna go 7.
You think it's plain?
I think it's plain.
Too much white for you?
I'm not gonna say too much white because I like this grayish blue, this mint. I like that. I feel like I can put a nice little fit with that. So I give it a 7. 6.5 is too low. I give it a 7. I do, like I said, I like that little 3D, the Jumpman on the tongue. I like that Jumpman, the Air Jordan on the back. I like that.
They could have done that with the Jordan.
Do they?
They could have done the little 3-thing translucent with the Jordan in the bottom.
Oh, you talking about this right?
Yeah.
Probably, yeah.
It looked better.
Yeah. But 7. I give it a 7. So class got an 8. I got a 7. Y'all let me know in the comments below, like I always said, what y'all think about this. So that's my review on the Air Jordan 3 Craft Ivory. Y'all know what to do, man. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, excuse me. My main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.